Loudly. Very good, very good. Clap, clap, all of you clap, children. Children, now I'll show you the video of indoor games. When I tell you when I start the music, you have to go far from the wall and you have to walk slowly according to the music. Okay? Now sit down, all of you, sit in your place and watch the video. Yes, children, welcome to indoor games. See, indoor games are games which are played at home. These games will make you love your home quarantine. These indoor games will improve your gross motor skills, fine motor skills, and eye-hand coordination. The goal is to build these skills and keep you smiling all day. These games makes learning fun. These games also help us to pass the time, more importantly, staying indoors. Today we are going to start lemon and spoon. See here, children. Eyes on the screen, everyone. Eyes on the screen, everyone. And you have to stand near the wall. I request all the parents to keep the cameras little far so that I can check the children. When the music starts, you start the walking. Yes, children? Start, children. Start, all of you. Walk. You have to walk. Walk. Children, I didn't tell you to sit in one place. Hanish, Raju, go near the wall. Everyone go near the wall. First stand with your lemon and spoon like this. I'll take the pick. First stand all of you like this. Lemon and spoon with, I'll take photo. Everyone stand 1, 2, 3. Show me your lemon and spoon. Adrika, stand there. Stand there. Yes, done. Now start. I'll start the music. Start walking, all of you. Walk, walk, walk. If left on the spoon lemon is not there, you are out. Amina, where is lemon and spoon? Call mummy and take lemon and spoon and walk. Yes, Tara, good, good, walk. Out. Hey, Charan, good. Very good. Adrika, very good. Krishita, very good. Anish. Tikshita, very nice. Walk, walk. Hanish, very good. Sudhansh, very nice. Abdul, nice. Shrestha, good, 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 good. Devansh also good. Kirti, very good. Kirti, Shadid, Adya. Children, start. We'll start again. Stand near the wall. Stand near the wall. Abdul, you stand near the door. Everyone, go back. Amina, go back. Go back to your place and start from there. All of you. Sarvatam, on your video. Yes. Tarak, take out this chair from here. Tarak, take out this chair. Yes. Now stand near the wall. Stand near the wall, everyone. Far. Good. Now I'll start the music. Start. 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 Yes, we'll start again. Start. Start. Hiranya, go back near the wall. Go back near the wall. We are starting the music. Yes, done. Walk. Devansh, walk. Children, walk slowly. If it fall down, you are out. Slow, walk slowly. Anish out. Hiranya out. Those who are out, sit down. Those who are out, sit down. Again we'll play. Those who are out, sit down. Amina, sit down. Very good, Tarak. Very good, very good. Sarvottam, very good. Hanish, Kirti, Adrika, Krishita, Shrestha, Charan, Adya, Sudhansh, very good. Don't touch the lemon. Tikshita, play beta. Tikshita, go. Play, 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 play. Those who are out, clap all of you. Those who are out, clap. Abdul, clap. Now we'll start again. Everyone stand with the spoon. Those who are out, you have to sit down in your chair and you have to clap for the other children. Right? Okay? We'll start again. Go back, all of you. Go back. Go back, all of you. Go back. We'll start again. 1, 2, 3. Then we have to start. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Start. Sudhan, start. Abdul, start. If lemon fall down, you're out. Sarvotam, don't touch the lemon. Don't touch the lemon. Adya. Very good, very good. Don't touch the lemon. If lemon is down, you're out. Clap for other children. Those who are out. Hiranya, what happened? Play beta. Dance. Those who are out, they can dance.
Ma'am, Kirti out.
Yes, let her dance. Yes, Hanish, good, good, good. Good going, Hanish. Hanish, Adrika, Krishita is still playing. Very good. Charan. Adrika, very good. Krishita, very good. Only Adrika. Yes, yes, Adya is also playing. Play, play, play. Sharon, Adya, Adrika, Krishita is not out. Play, 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 play. Who is the winner? We'll see. Very good, Krishita. Walk, walk slowly. Don't run, Adya. Don't run. Don't. Wow. Krishita, Adrika, Sharon, Adya. Shrestha is the Shrestha also there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, her lemon did not fall for once
Yes,
also.
yeah. Okay, very good, very good. Very good.
But in between, she told that she is getting tooth pain. That's why she stopped.
Okay, no problem. Now all of you sit in your place. Now we have a riddles. When I say the riddles, everyone no shouting. Go and get and show me the objects. Keep lemon and spoon away. Aside, aside. Everyone finish lemon and spoon game. Keep it aside. Now listen carefully what I'm telling. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Find something that makes you happy. Find something that makes you happy. Show me the what makes you happy. Show me the object fast, fast. What makes you
Happy. Santa Claus.
Santa? I can't see clearly. Show what. Find something that makes you happy. Santa Claus. Whoa, very good, very good. Show me. Show me. Wow, Santa Claus makes you happy. Who else? Very good, very good, very good, very good. Oh, Santa makes you happy. Very good. Who else? What else? Yes. What, ma'am? Sister, your doll, your ball. Show me. Yes, yes. No shouting. What I told you. First, listen to teacher. Don't shout and show me the object. What makes you happy? Show me clearly. Show me clearly. Like this. Show me clearly like this, all of you. Show me clearly like this. Yes. 1, 2, 3. At a time, all of you. At a time. 1, 2, 3. Done. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now I'll tell you one more. Now I'll tell you one more. Find something that you made. Find something that you made. Find something that you made. Can you hear me, all of you? What you made on your own. Or what you made on your own. Find something that you made. Drawing, painting, anything, anything, anything. What you made. Find something that you made. That is not your making. No. No. Find something. Yes. Sarvottam, show that is that like that you have to show. Correct. Find something that you made.
Ma'am, he only colored it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I'm saying, ma'am. Yes. Oh.
Rainbow,
Hiranya.
he colored it.
Very good, Hiranya. Very good. What?
Ma'am, Sarvottam made this, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
With the pencil shavings.
Oh, show me, ma'am. Clearly, show me, ma'am. All of you. Show clearly what you made by yourself. Honey, show clearly. Shrestha, show me what you made. Very good, very good. Now, nice, nice, Abdul. Very good. Okay, blue painting. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good. Nice. Now, one more puzzle riddle. Now, one more riddle. Find something with a face on it. Find something with a face on it. Find something that has a face on it. See, I have this. I have this. What face on it? What you have? Wow, Shadid, correct. Shadid, show me. Show me, Shadid. 1 second. Show me, Shadid. Shadid, show me clearly. Yes, show me clearly. Yes, face on it. All of you. Show me the face on it. Yes. Tarak, show me clearly. Show me clearly, Tarak. Very nice. Very nice. That's good spirit. Very good. Hanish, what you're showing? Hanish, what you're showing? Face on it. Hanish, something you're showing. Oh, face. Doll. Very good. Very good.
Photo of Dikshita's.
Ah, show. Dikshita.
And what is riddle? Barbie doll.
Amina. Yes, Barbie doll. Very good. That is correct. Very good, Dikshita. Very good. Face on it. Very good. Yes, Hiranya. Good job. Who else? Charan, show me. Devan, show me. Charan, show me clearly. Done. Very good, Amina. Now one more. Be ready. All of you be ready. One more riddle. Find something with buttons. Find something with buttons. Find something with buttons. Yes. Buttons. Show me. Where's Sudhansh? Your shirt, Sudhansh. Very good. Your shirt buttons. Very good. Buttons. Very good. Very good. Show buttons. Very good, Krishita and Anish. Krishita, you're showing your greeting card. That's the spirit. Very good. Good. Yes. Children, if you are shouting what I am telling, I can't understand. No shouting, mute yourself.
You can do it.
First, mute yourself first. Everyone. Someone is shouting still. Now, one more puzzle, riddle. Find something made of wood. Find something made of wood. Find something made of wood. Show me. Wood. Find something made of wood. Table. Show me clearly. Table. Very good. Table. Carom board. Very good. Wood. What else you are showing? Bit of wood. Charan, what you are showing, Charan? Charan, what you are showing? Sofa. Very good. Sofa. Krishita. Board. Very good. What you are showing? Adya, what is that? Adya, what is that? Okay, Sudhansh. Very good, Adya. I saw Anish. Very good, Devansh. Very good. Now, yes, Anish, I have taken. Now, find something that smells nice. Find something that smells nice. Smells. Show me. Smells nice. What you'll show?
Teacher, what?
Find something that smells nice. Smells nice.
Orange.
Powder. Very good, powder. Amina, show clearly powder.
Lemon.
Yes.
Lemon, ma'am.
Yes, lemon. Show. Everyone show. Show me a flower. Show me a lemon. Everyone. Show like this. I'll take the photo. Perfume. Very good. All of you lift it up, children. Lift it up. Very good. Perfume. Hiranya, I am seeing you. Tikshita. Very good. What is that perfume? Tikshita, sir, I can't see the Tikshita's face, sir. Only half is coming. No, no. No, Tikshita, sit down. Yes, Shresha. I saw you. Yes, done. Now, one more thing. 1, 2, 3, start. Find something that starts with the first letter of your name. Find something that starts with first letter of your name. Table. T for table. Very good. Next. Spoon. Sudhanshu is showing spoon. Very good. Cheren, what you are showing? Krishita, keys. Very good. Who else? Adrika? Apple. Adya, apple. Sarvotam, what you are showing? T for table. Okay. Shrestha, what you are showing? Shrestha? What is that? Slate. Very good. No, it has some border. I can't see properly. Abdul, what you are showing? First letter of your letter. Tarak, what you are showing, Tarak? First letter of your name. What you are showing? Tiger? Yes, ma'am. Who is telling? Hiranya, hanger. Very good. Show clearly. Show. Very good. Okay. What is that? Abdul, what is that? Who is that talking in the middle? Tikshita, mute yourself. Tarak, mute yourself. Yes, Abdul, what is that item? Show me. Start with your first letter. What is that? Unmute yourself and say. What is that?
A for agarbatti.
Agarbatti. Oh, show me agarbatti. Show. Very good. Nice. Now next one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is that? Find something with numbers on it. Find something that numbers on it. Numbers. You can find something that has numbers on it. Numbers. Very good. Watch, Sajid. Very good. What else? Who is showing? Show me number scale. Very good. Children, when you are showing, you have to show me clearly so that everyone I'll take at a time photos. What is the number scale? What you are showing? Phone. Very good. Show me clearly. Calendar. Yes. Who else? Very nice. Show. Good.
Remote.
Remote. Very good. Show clearly. Yes. Very good, Charan. Very good. Nice. Now last one. Find something with wheels. Show me with wheels.
Go get the car. Car. Go.
Very good, Sudan. Show clearly. Hold it like that. Car. Very good, all of you. 1, 2, 3. Shrestha, stand and show, beta. I can't see. Very good, all of you. Devan, show. All of you. 1, 2, 3. Good. Very good. Good. Very good. I've seen. Thank you. Yes, moving car. Thank you, children. Thank you, parents. Very nice. Thank you for your support.